Did you know that medieval knights had to sleep in their armor for weeks during long sieges? Imagine trying to get comfortable in 60 pounds of metal every single night. But here's what's really crazy. Knights didn't just throw on their armor and ride into battle. It took years to become a true knight, and the training was brutal. Boys as young as 7 were sent away from home to serve as pages in noble houses. They learned table manners, how to care for weapons, and basic fighting skills. At 14, they became squires, which meant following a knight everywhere, even to the bathroom. Squires had to help their knight get dressed each morning. Just putting on armor took 30 minutes with help. Without help, nearly impossible. The final test came around age 21. The young man had to prove himself in real combat. Only then could he kneel before his lord and receive the ceremonial sword tap that made him a knight. But even after all that training, most knights died before age 30. War was deadly, but diseases killed more knights than swords ever did.